What happens when two grinders collide? So this guy decided to test it. First, he tried a chainsaw, and yeah, one of them got wrecked. Then he tested softer grinder discs, and they just wore each other down. But then he had a wild idea. What if two sharp grinder discs hit at full speed? And what happened next? Nobody saw coming. I'm about to show you, but first, if you think this cat is cute, hit like and subscribe. But there's another cat out there struggling, hungry and thirsty. Share this so more people can see and help. Drop a comment. What do you think about this? And now, watch this.